Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the PRIVAT24 app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about the PRIVAT app, the PRIVAT24 app from Ukraine private bank offer a wide range of digital bank features, everything from transfer, deposit and IBAN account to save, loan and loyalty pick, all wrapped in a user-friendly interface. It's well rated on iOS and widely used domestically for its rich functionalities. On the flip side, users do report issues like occasional crashes, login or transaction failure, and limited intentional functionalities for non-Ukrainian residents. So in conclusion, if you are banking with private bank in Ukraine, the app is definitely worth using for its depth and convenience. So if you are outside the context, be mindful of the still present hiccup. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.